Come on. How many people can say they have a cat that likes to ride an excavator? Come here. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, you want to go for a ride? He loves to sit on my lap while we run the excavator. It's my working cat. He's the ranch hand. The ranch hand. Yeah? Gonna go for a ride? Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, he bumped into the lever, you silly goof. Butter. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I gotta put the phone down. Run some heavy equipment here. Okay.